So this is the Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this look, which is my Valentine's Day makeup. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm ready now. So first, I'm using Pore Eraser Baby Skin by Maybelline to use as my base on my forehead, nose, and under my eyes, and just swipe it on my face. And then for foundation, I'm using Fit Me Poreless Matte or Matte Poreless by Maybelline on 230. And then I spread it around my cheek, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And then yeah, just spread it there. And then I just spread the foundation using the foundation brush by Body Shop, and then beauty blender as well. And then I'm using Pure Concealer Mineral on Medium by Maybelline as my eye base. I put it on my eyelids and just tap it with the foundation brush. To set it, I'm using Revlon New Complexion Loose Powder on Translucent 1. And then I'm using Face and Body Brush by the Body Shop again. And then just do it like that. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to. So now I'm gonna use the Nude Set 02 by Muka in this color. And I'm going to use the Body Shop brush on N81E. Yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna use it to put it in the inner corner of my eyes, and I just build the intensity that I want. So I'm gonna use the Blush Nudes by Maybelline, and I'm gonna take Burning Color. As for the brush, I'm gonna use the one comes along with the palette. So I'm gonna apply it on the middle of my eyelid to the outer side of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take the pink color from the Muka palette, and then I'm just going to apply it on the same area as the one I put before. Then I'll just blend the eyeshadow using Shadow Blender by the Body Shop. So I'm gonna use it a Killer Big Eyes RD47, and I'm going to use the darkest color there. And I'm going to use this brush again, and I just apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. And then I'm using the Maybelline brush just to sharpen it on the outer corner of my eyes. Then after that, I'm going to blend it using the eyeshadow blender by Body Shop. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline brush and then just apply the same color as I used before under my eyes. Then I'm gonna use this Fashion Brow by Maybelline, and I'm going to take the cream using this angled brush. This is non-branded brush, so yeah. So I'll just outline it from the bottom slowly, and then I'm gonna outline it from the top afterwards. Then I'll just fill the brow using the cream again. Then I'm going to use Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline on 20 using this flat brush. And then I'm just going to conceal the growing eyebrow under the brow that's already drew. Then I draw the eyebrow using the brush given with the palette to make it more on flick. Then I'm using Cat Tokyo eyeliner type BK1, and then I just apply the eyeliner on my eyes, just a thin layer of it, not too much, just make sure it's thin. And I'm going to use Kate gel eyeliner, sorry for the view, on BK1. And then I'm going to use the brush given with the gel liner. So I'm going to apply the gel liner on my waterline on the top. And then I'm going to apply it on the bottom of my eyes as well. And I'm going to use the Fab Forever whatever push-up Roma by Maybelline. So I'm going to brush it on my eyelash because I don't know how to apply fake lashes, so I'm just going to use this. It could look good with the fake lashes, but yeah, due to my limitation, so maybe next time. So I apply it on the top and bottom lashes of my eyes. Oopsie, I don't have curler, so yeah, it should be okay with the curl, but I don't have. After my eyes done, I just put the concealer. I'm using the Fit Me concealer here. So I just apply it under my eyes to conceal my dark eyes. And then I just put it on my nose, on my upper lip, and on my chin, as well as my forehead to make it as a highlight or contour, I'm not sure. And then I just blend it using the beauty blender. Just blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. I'm blending it, blending it. It looks okay. Then I'm using the foundation brush just to take on the concealer liquid near my eyes so I won't mess it up. So yeah, I'm using it there like that. So, wow, you can see how it conceals my under eye. And now I'm going to use the press powder Fit Me Poreless Matte just to set everything using the face and body brush by the Body Shop, and just put it all over my face. And then for contouring, I'm using Catrice Sun Glow. So yeah, this is actually a bronzer, but I just use it as a contour. And I'm going to use this brush, fluffy brush. It's non-branded one. So yeah, I'm going to kinda press the brush so it will be like a little bit flat. So yeah, just light, bronzing it, or maybe contouring it. Slowly, and it looks nice. I really like the pigmentation of this bronzer. And I put it also on my forehead to make it more like 3D. Then I'm going to take this blush from the Muka palette I've used before, and then I'm going to use the Body Shop blush on brush. So I'm going to tap it. I'm just going to tap it until the color I think is okay for me. And yeah, just tap it. And then after that, I'm going to make what you call it, sunburn effect for the blush. So yeah, I just tap it also around my nose. As for the lip, I'm going to use Magic Gloss Stain by Shamul, and I'm just going to put it on my lip, and I just build it up until the color that I want show up. And then yeah, just do it like that. And after that, I'm gonna blend it using my fingers so the outline of my lid won't look so sharpened. And then I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible Pro Contour, and I'm going to use the contour to just contour my nose to make it looks high, I think, my nose. So yeah, and as well as like look smaller than it's supposed to be. And I'm going to use the highlight by the balm, and I'm going to use this flat brush. Actually this one is foundation brush, but what I think is that as long as you have the result that you want from the brush, then just use it as what you want. So yeah, and then I'm going to use my finger, take the highlight and just highlighting my nose. Ta-da! This is my face. Then okay, I think I look pretty, and this one too, and this one too. So this is the final result. Okay guys, that's it for my makeup tutorial. So yeah, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. So yeah, see you on my next video. Bye bye.